This is how you're going to move a menu bar, edit navigation, size and color in Squarespace. These changes are controlled in the site styles or design panel, as a header or menu bar is a site-wide element. So first step, you're going to head over to your Squarespace dashboard, and then from here, you're going to head over to the left side panel and select website. Now from the website section, you can just head over to styles right here, and then you will be able to find site styles right here. So you can choose the heading right here, where you can change several stuff like base size, headings, paragraphs, buttons, miscellaneous, and assign styles as well. You can do this, but as you can see, you can't really find the header layout right here. You can't really find how you can move the navigation bar, the logos, and all that stuff. So this one is basically for the general setting of your header, so you can find all of the texts right here and the titles and all of that stuff. Now, in order for us to truly move all of this, we're going to click on the header. So we're just going to close this panel first, and then from there we're going to click on edit right here at the top left corner of your screen, and then from there we're going to select edit site header. Now after that, I'm just going to make sure that we are viewing this one in the desktop view, just so that we have a lot more freedom in terms of editing this header. So we're just going to click on edit design once we have this header selected. And then from here, you will be able to find the design or the layout right here. So make sure that you're under the design tab and you are looking at the layout option. Now you're just going to enter, or you're going to click on this drop down, and then you will be able to find several layouts right here, or this is where you can actually move the navigation bars, to edit how you can move it. So these are the only options that you have. You can't really drag anything freely. You can just select from the layouts right here. So for example, we want this layout, so you can see it immediately changed. You can also do this layout however you want it. So you can also toggle these settings right here. You can do line spacing, element spacing right here. You can add drop shadows, borders, positions, and then you can find the size right here. So you can edit the navigation size from here. You can just create or make it a lot smaller or slimmer, and then you can change the color from the color tab just beside the design tab, and then you can choose whether you want it to be adaptive, radiant, or you can also choose solid. But for this one, I think I prefer adaptive more, and that's it. All you have to do now is to save the changes by clicking on save at the left side corner of your screen. Just click on save changes, and after that you could just exit or preview the page or your website. And that is how you can move menu bar, edit navigation, size and color in Squarespace. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel.